Alright guys, so you're welcome. This is the nails that we're going to be using today. This nail was super cheap. It was 100 naira. Guys, let me know, like, it was 100 naira. Now these nails, they're actually so soft, but yet so, I don't know, so clean and very easy to use, basically. Yes, like, I really enjoyed using these nails. Honestly, I would recommend it. I got it for 100, and like I said, yeah. So now basically I'm just trying to arrange the nails. Yeah, should not mind me. I'm just trying to arrange the nails so everything will be easy for me to work with. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I found out that if you actually do this step before you start, everything will be super easy for you. So you just click into everything you're doing. This is the super glue that we're going to be using today. This glue is magic. Like, it works so well. It works so well. And I got it for 100 naira as well. So everything I used in this video was 200 naira. Everything I bought that I used for the video was 200 naira. So I'm going to use that little punch inside the tip to open it. And now once it's open, I'll pick the first nail and try it on first before putting the glue to be sure that yes, it actually fits the nail I'm about to use it for. Now please understand that when you are using the glue, you don't need to put too much, and you also don't need to put too small. Let what you put be moderate, please. And then please be super careful. I almost spilled my glue here, but then please be super careful. And then once you put it on your nail, on your finger, press it down so the glue actually holds really fast and everything is good. So yeah, one done. See how neat it is. So guys, we're on to the next and the last finger, which is my pinky. Like I said, this procedure just took me nothing more than 10 minutes. Nothing more than 10 minutes. So now I'm basically filing down the nails. Not really filing it down, just filing the tip of the nails, because it was kind of rough at the tip. So I was trying to actually just file it down a little bit so it's kind of smooth and it looks professional, if you ask me. That was basically what I was just doing here. So everything looks nice. I'm telling you guys, when I was done with this nail and I went to church, a lot of people were giving me compliments. Even when I went about to see my friends, they were giving me compliments. That was how nice this nail was looking. I don't even think this video did justice to it, because honestly, the way I rocked these nails, if I told you I paid maybe like 1,500, you would believe. But yeah guys, it was just 200 naira. So yes, just file it. If you don't like the length, you can actually file it down. But because the nail came with this yellow tip, I was loving the yellow tip and I left the length like that. So yes, I loved the length the way it was, and I just left it and I worked with it like that. So guys, that's everything I did. Now I'm done filing it down, just dusting off every excess on my hands. I just love how simple it looks, guys. Honestly, the yellow at the tip was super beautiful. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and then like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please don't forget to share it with your friends. More videos coming every single week. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.